Next up on our Partypalooza adventure is the Garden of Earthly Delights. Now, at first glance, you may say, wait a minute, there's a pile of naked people engaging in tomfoolery. This isn't very Christian at all. And you would be right. Bosch depicts these carnal acts as a way of showing off how cool the world looks when you ignore God's rules. Like, look here, fellas. We got a mowed lawn with some babes on it. Score. And that, my post-pubescent friends, is where Satan gets you. You see, this scene is actually Sin City, and unbeknownst to them, they're not going straight to hell. Which may not be that bad until you remember that Bosch loves depicting overly touchy bug demons. This painting doesn't really reject technology in the traditional sense, instead revealing the danger of technology when it comes to ideology. Essentially, they get too comfortable with what seemed beautiful, and as a result lost the light of the Lord. In some areas, Bosch embraced innovation, spearheading the art movement with his newer methods, and in others, he kind of threw it under the bus. The work of Bosch, from his background to his somewhat eccentric art style, was deeply intertwined with the technological shift that begun to sprout during the late 13th and early 14th century. His art, while remaining true to his faith, displayed the concerns many had about how these new innovations could affect humanity and their connection to the divine.